Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US Highway 11 beginning at Alabama Mile 156 in Jefferson County. The road here is called Gadsden Highway, although US 11 doesn't quite make it into Gadsden. We enter the town of Argo, which had a population of 4,368 as of the 2020 census. The establishment of the Argo Post Office dates back to 1869, with the origin of its name attributed to a local family, although no concrete evidence exists to confirm that such a family existed. Originally situated entirely within St. Clair County, the community gained official incorporation as a town in 1987. Over time, Argo has expanded its borders by annexing numerous parcels of land extending into Jefferson County. While primarily a residential area, Argo has witnessed remarkable population growth in the latter part of the 20th century, experiencing a population increase of over 4 times in the past 2 decades alone. In 1991, Argo constructed a town hall within its town limits in Jefferson County. With the large growth in population, in 2007 the town built a new 32,000 square foot municipal building, housing the town council, municipal court, police, and fire department. This modern facility is conveniently located adjacent to Argo City Park in St. Clair County. US 11 serves as Argo's main street, and most of the town's commercial development is along the highway here. We're now in St. Clair County, which is one of the 2 counties in Alabama and one of the 33 counties in the United States that has multiple county seats. In this case, the 2 cities serving as county seats are Asheville and Pell City. The decision to establish a second county seat in Pell City was influenced by the county's unique geographical features. The high terrain of the southern end of the Appalachian Mountains divides the county in a northeast-southwest orientation. This physical division posed challenges for communication and administration between the 2 sides of the county. Therefore, Pell City was designated as a second county seat to ensure more efficient administration and services to the southeastern part of the county. The county itself is named in tribute to General Arthur St. Clair, who was a notable officer in the French and Indian War. St. Clair County has an estimated population of 92,748 as of 2021. we enter the city of Springville, which had a population of 4,786 as of the 2020 census. The Springville area attracted both Native Americans and European settlers due to its natural freshwater springs, making it a popular rest stop during their journeys. The town derived its name from these springs and was initially referred to as Big Springs. Settlers started arriving in the mid-1810s, and the first church was established in 1817. The town's name changed to Pink Hill in 1833 when the first post office was established, and later in December of 1834 it became known as Springville. In 1861, an academy was constructed to educate both male and female students, eventually named Springville High School in 1873. The Alabama Great Southern Railway reached the town in 1870. Unfortunately, a cholera epidemic coincided with this arrival, resulting in the loss of many railroad workers' lives. In December 1880, the town was officially incorporated. Telephone service was introduced in 1912, and electricity arrived in Springville in 1925 through the Alabama Power Company. The town developed a water and sewer system, which became operational in 1935. A new city hall was erected in 1957. On January 16, 1969, Springville faced a near disaster when a train carrying propane tanks derailed at the Springville depot, causing an explosion upon impact with additional propane gas tanks. Firefighters from Birmingham and the National Guard swiftly responded to combat the blaze. Although the town suffered significant damage, it was rebuilt and fortunately no lives were lost. We conclude today's video at mile 166. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.